Healthy chickens and eggs are becoming something of a prized commodity in the US due to the avian flu outbreak. The country has culled 40 million birds as it deals with the biggest outbreak of the disease on record. Hundreds of thousands of hens have died or are to be euthanized. Nick Vias, a market watcher, says the disease has to be contained to prevent a national or even global crisis.
I think it is big, and the reason I say it's big because we haven't gone through a crisis of this magnitude in the past. It was very common in Asia, avian flu, and other part of the world, but I think for us, this magnitude is the first time that we're dealing at this scale. So this could pose really a big challenge for us in terms of the future of the egg supply.
The outbreak is driving up egg prices. Analysts say the wholesale price of those typically sold in cartons at grocery stores has risen from $1.19 a dozen in late April to just over $2 this week.
I think, as any commodity, I think ultimately the consumer at the end bears the cost, because the corporations will find ways to pass the cost over to it. I mean, obviously they'll squeeze some margins, some profits out of their bottom line, but I think at the end, I think you'll see that we will end up paying the price.
At least $7.5 billion. That's what some analysts say consumers will ultimately shell out.